Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am Knowledge Base. I'm here once again to show you how we can use bad AI, bad.google.com. Guess what? It's a new AI. It's a great artificial intelligence that came not only to save time, but to give us the right things that we need in our lives. Remember, I've always told people that whoever uses AI did not come to make people unemployed, but AI came in to facilitate our businesses, to facilitate our work, to facilitate any kind of work we are doing. So if you look at AI as an enemy, then you're bound to jump out of the current times. But if you look at AI as a partner, and in this case, bad AI, then you know the power of this artificial intelligence software. So as we dive in, today we want to see what can I use, what can I create, what can I do with bad AI. In this manner, I want it to create for me, design for me. Okay, let's talk about design using Excel. Let's say using Excel. Maybe let's try out using Excel. Design and create a project timeline template. Okay, remember, you're saying using Excel design. Using Excel, I can put a comma because this AI, the artificial intelligence, understands the language you give it. Using Excel, design and create a project timeline template. And let's see how fast this is gonna be. Look at this. It's gonna be taking, let's see, we are counting the seconds. It's less than 10 seconds, guys. Wow, this is beautiful and this is wonderful. Project timeline template in Excel is already designed, and it's being designed in less than a few minutes. Okay, right here, and it's giving you each and everything. You see, guys, see how this has been designed. When we talk about from up there, Excel offers various ways to design a project timeline template. Here are two popular options: Gantt chart, structure. Here it is even giving you the popular charts that you are supposed to use. Structure, that is columns, task name, start date, end date, duration, resources, dependencies, and progress. Now, when you go to visualization, use horizontal bars to present tasks with the length proportional to the duration, color code based on task status, e.g. green for completed, yellow for in progress, red for overdue. Connect independent tasks with arrows and their options. Then we have the timeline chart here. Structure, the axis. Horizontal represent time, days, weeks, and months. Vertical, optionally, lists project phases or milestones. Data points. Plot makers, indicating key dates like task start, end, milestone, and deadline. Connect data points with lines to show the project's overall timeline. Example template. Here is a base Gantt chart template you can customize in Excel. Tips: use conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks and milestones. Add formulas to formulate calculations like duration or progress percentage. Protect specific cells to prevent accidental edits. Consider using macros for advanced functionality like resource allocation or progress tracking. Additional resources, feel free. Of course, Excel project timeline templates. You can see spreadsheet, project management templates, or you can customize project management templates, roadmap templates. You can have the links. Can you imagine? It's even picking the links on where we are going to get all this. Now you see. Now let's see whether we can command it to design for us a chart, a Gantt chart. Okay, design an Excel, an Excel Gantt chart for project timeline that I can easily export to Excel. Guess what? I want it so that they do it for me and I export it. Design an Excel Gantt chart for project timeline that I can easily export. In this case, there are so many different charts in Excel, but this time they have given us two, where we have Gantt chart and the Gantt chart. Let me get you the second one. The Gantt chart. Did they give us the Gantt chart? No, they didn't give us the Gantt chart. We'll have, only the Gantt chart is what we get given, and we're going to look at, we have Gantt chart and the timeline chart. Okay, so we're looking at the Gantt chart, and I'm saying design an Excel Gantt chart for project timeline that I can easily export to Excel. Okay, design an Excel Gantt chart for project timeline template. Project timeline. Project timeline template. Okay, template. Remember, I told you that we have to make sure that we command it right for us to get the right information. Template. Wonderful. Design an Excel Gantt chart for a project timeline template that I can easily export to Excel. Let's go. I love this. I love the time it takes to design whatever I want. It means that in a minute we can do great things. In 10 seconds we can do great things, guys. And to me, this is how I have improved my life by using bad AI. This is beautiful. It's already done. As I finish to talk to you, it's already done. Excel Gantt chart template for project timeline. Here is a streamlined Excel Gantt chart template for you to easily export and customize. The structure is here, the task table, task name. Remember, guys, here you have to describe. You have got your own information. The task name, descriptive name of each task, that is right proposal. Start date, scheduled for date of task, it is here. All this is a game. Now, I want us to look at this. Gantt chart, horizontal axis timeline, it is showing you how it was designed, and this is an example as well how it will come out, and tips for customizations are here, and of course the links of where you can get all this. But let's look at exporting what they have made. Export to sheets. It is exporting here, and I want to see, it takes a little bit now. It didn't even take 5 seconds. It's right here. Let's get it. Let's see the sheet. Look at this. It's already here, and let's see how we can expand here, what they have put here. And okay, let's get here. Let's get expanded. Let's get it here. Okay, maybe here we need to expand again. We need to expand. Let's see. Yes, this is it. Here, to make it smarter, I can expand it here. And then here you see, you need to smarten it up here and see how it is. Okay. Now, this is how they are giving it to you. Oh, these are some of the things that you require in Excel. Of course, they're telling you the task name, write proposal, the task date. You're supposed to put the date and everything. This is just a formula, okay? This is a formula that you can easily export, and it's exportable. I just wanted to show you that whatever you command a bad AI, you're able to export it right in the Excel sheets, and it's gonna fit there perfectly and without any hesitation. So here you can choose. Here you can maybe align whatever you want to align. You can do. I'm just showing you something. I'm working on this, not for your own, but just to make sure that this is organized. You see, this is organized. I come here and organize it here. You see how I've got my information that I've got from the other side and exported here. So guys, you can make this. You can do wonders with bad AI. So whatever I did, all this you see has been exported. Okay, they can draw the table, they can indicate it in the table, they can do anything that you want. So what happens here? Let's see the example they're giving us here, and of course here they are taking at the Gantt template for Excel. So the Gantt template for Excel, this is here, right here, where you can even download. Let's see whether can I download this. Probably, they're saying 1 million downloads. Can I download this? Google Sheets. Can I load in Excel? Let's do this. Let's see whether I can download this template, if I can be able to be allowed to use it. Some of these templates, definitely you use them after payment. Look at this. This is how it goes and this is how it is supposed to be done. So guys, can you use this? Can you get this? You know, this is called Gantt Excel free. It's actually free chart Excel template. Create professional looking Gantt charts in Excel, and this is how it is supposed to be done. Okay, this is how it is supposed to be done. Now I want to see whether it comes here and says please download. Is it a download of it? Please enter a valid email address with the download link we'll send to you. Let's do this. Let's use my personal email to see whether we are at Gmail. Okay, let me see my name. Let me use this. John. Then I can use this email to see whether it is exported. Guys, let's see. gmail.com. Guys, let's see whether the link of download is gonna be sent in my Gmail. So when I come here, I will say that let me see my Gmail, whether I can access my Gmail that is already open and see whether the link has been sent to me. I am here to see the link. I've not received the link yet. I am still refreshing. I've not received the link yet. Maybe it is taking some few minutes, but it is possible that you're able to get right this link that you need. You know, this is it, and you can get all these, guys. Get it and make sure, you know, even the planner is free. Look at this. A planner is also free. It's also free and can be downloaded right here. The Gantt Excel, I can see it is downloading here. And as we are waiting for, wow, it's downloading. Let's see. The mail has come in, guys. It's here. Get started. And they are saying download the free version. So let's see what happens when we are getting here. Okay, this is the same that they had given me to download, and the download process is going on. So let's get this. Let's make sure that we are getting our download. Is our download done? Let's see what happens here with wow, whatever they gave us. Let's see. Let's kill out this. Let's look at this. I think the download is coming in, and we should be able to see whatever is happening. Just give it a minute or two. We'll be able to see what Gantt Excel. We'll be getting back once the download is done. So in all, we are trying to show you that this is how you've managed to get your template, and you've made it within less than a minute. With the exports, whatever you do, you're good to go. So let's go back and say they gave us different. We had the Gantt structure. Let's look at the timeline chart. Okay, let's do this. Let's copy this. Let's drop it here. Let's do this. Let's do this using Excel. Let's do this. Let me do this. Let me look at down what I commanded it when it was giving us the Gantt chart. This with Excel Gantt. Okay, this is it. Design. Okay, this is how it is. Great. We are here. We are doing the timeline. Yes, let's look at the timeline. Let's do this using design. Let's do this design and Excel timeline chart. This here timeline chart for project timeline templates that I can easily export to Excel. Let's get running. We're here and we are trying to go through this as well, but still here we are on bad, and we are trying to see how bad also gives us Excel timeline chart template for the project timeline. Let's see whether our download is about to get done, and keep watching, guys. Let's get it, let's learn, and let's make sure that this is done. Now our timeline, I think the download is done already, but let's look at this as we go back to as we embark on the other one. It's here. Look at this. This is Excel timeline. This is Excel timeline chart template for the project timeline. So before we go back, guys, let's open this. It's opening automatically. We want to see how this was done. Remember, Gantt gave me a free one, and you can download it from their website and then get to have it and use it right in your project. Guys, guess what? It's right here. Okay, it's right here, and this is it. Automation is off. Enable micros and macros. Click for help. If you want to do it automation, then you're able to click here, because of course this is a free version. Maybe you may be required. Also, you may be required to pay some little money to the companies that develop all this. Develop MO. Let's do this. Welcome to Gantt. Enter your name and email to get started. Let me see Brian, and then let me see whether I can use my Gmail and put my Gmail here and see what they want to send to me. Gmail.com. Let's get starting, guys. Let's start. The runtime error, and there's an error. I don't know why this is having an error, but guys, you can be able to see how real. Maybe it needs an activation code for this as well. But you can see dashboard is here. Okay, the dashboard. If you look at this, the project status, the lead, the dashboard, you edit project. Okay, it is here. All this is designed for purposely for the project. This is the Gantt Excel daily. Okay, this is you can also add new. You're good to go to add new or whatever you would want to design. Please take time and understand this sheet. Take time and learn it as well. So when we go back here, we said Excel timeline chart template for the project timelines. You see, this is the Excel timeline, and I say let me export it as well. We see how it looks, because the other one was Gantt chart, and then this is time chart. Okay, this is timeline chart. We want to see how timeline chart is also behaving in this old way. Let's get moving. And guys, I love bad, AI. I love bad artificial intelligence. Okay, sheets, something went wrong. No sheets were created. I don't know why it says it cannot export the sheet. Let me see. Let's export again. Maybe there's an internet glitch. Let's see. Let's get running. Something went wrong. No new created. Maybe something was wrong. Maybe we need to command it again. But meanwhile, this is how you do it, and this is how you are able really to create an Excel, a design, a timeline, a timeline project template that you'll be able to use in your different projects. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you learn this, please share my YouTube channel for those who would want to learn on how to use bad AI. Thank you, and have a great day.